He was duly in position, ready to initiate Operation Skylark. Once Chris had finished his sweep, the images were downloaded to Mission Control.
But these greeny-yellow splodges are patches of warmth, and that is a potential skylark nest. So we know it's there, and from that, we've been able to get a precise what3words location. Yes, and there it is. In that 3-metre square is a skylark nest.
And we headed to the field so we could locate and mark the nest sites with flags.
Right.
39 meters.
I think we're getting quite close.
Ooh, 6 meters away.
We're here. Oh, sake.
Yep, all the thermal camera had found were 5 piles of still warm sheep